Hello friends, I have recently changed my channel's name from Learn English Grammar to Priyagram English. So you can watch all previous videos in this name. So welcome to my channel Priyagram English. We have already learned adjectives in parts of speech. Now today in this video we are learning kinds of adjectives part 1. In this video, we are learning its two kinds, that is quality adjective and quantity adjective. But before starting this video, let's revise what is meant by adjective. Adjective is a word which describes a noun. The word which gives more or additional information about a noun is called an adjective. जो वर्ड नाउन के बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी देता है उस वर्ड को एडजेक्टिव कहा जाता है. So if we can see, suppose if I say beautiful girl, then girl is a noun and this word beautiful which gives additional information about the noun girl, so beautiful is an adjective. In this way, red car, car is a noun, red gives more information about the noun car, so red is an adjective. So in this way we are going to learn kinds of adjectives with so many examples. बहुत सारे examples के साथ हम adjectives के kinds सीखने जा रहे हैं. So let's get started. So we are learning kinds of adjectives. Now first, what is meant by adjective? A word which describes a noun is called an adjective, or the word which gives some additional information about a noun is called an adjective. We are learning kinds of adjective. In first part, adjective of quality and adjective of quantity. Now let's learn one by one what is meant by adjective of quality. Adjective of quality is also called descriptive adjective. Means adjective of quality show the quality of a person or thing. पर्सन या थिंग के बारे में जो वर्ड क्वालिटी बताता है उस वर्ड को एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी कहा जाता है. We know that adjective gives information about a noun. So it gives information in quality also. So here are some examples which shows quality in person or things like good, clever, beautiful, heavy, huge, old, new, handsome, big, large, high, ugly, black, red, dull, and so on. All these words give information about a noun and this information is in regard to quality. क्वालिटी के बारे में ये वर्ड इंफॉर्मेशन नाउन के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं, सो ये वर्ड्स को एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी कहा जाता है. Now let's learn adjective of quality through some examples. When you ask a question to a noun, the question is of what kind, then you get the answer and that answer shows adjective of quality. जब आप नाउन को क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि वो किस प्रकार का है, तब हमें आंसर मिलता है क्वालिटी एंड और उसको ही एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी कहा जाता है. जैसे यहाँ पे हियर इज द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, Sarah is an intelligent girl. Now in this example, you know that girl is a noun. So the word intelligent gives information about the noun. So intelligent is an adjective, but it shows quality which is in girl. So that word is adjective of quality. So in this sentence, intelligent word adjective of quality. Now see the next example. Kolkata is a large city. Now in this example, you know that city is a noun and the word which gives information or which gives quality of a noun city, that word is adjective of quality and here the word adjective of quality is large. क्योंकि यहाँ सिटी के बारे में कुछ बात बताई गई है कि वो सिटी कैसे है, ऑफ व्हाट काइंड, वो सिटी किस प्रकार की है या कैसी है, तो हमें आंसर मिलता है कि वो सिटी लार्ज है. सो लार्ज इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. Now see the next example. They live in a beautiful house. If we ask the question that of what kind is the house, we get the answer beautiful. Means it shows the quality of the noun house. So beautiful is an adjective of quality. ब्यूटीफुल ये एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी है क्योंकि ये हाउस ये नाउन के बारे में ज्यादा जानकारी देता है कि वो घर किस प्रकार का है, तो हमें आंसर मिलता है कि वो घर ब्यूटीफुल है. सो ब्यूटीफुल ये एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी है. Now see the next example. This is a difficult sum. In this example, again you can see that sum is a noun and the word difficult gives additional information or it shows quality of the noun sum. Or what kind of sum is this? So we get the answer difficult. It means that difficult is a adjective of quality. Then see next. Japan is a developed country. Now in this example, country is a noun and the word developed gives quality of the noun country, means it gives some additional information. Or if we ask the question of what kind the country Japan is, then we get the answer developed. So developed is a adjective of quality. या इस सेंटेंस में जब हम कंट्री के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि जापान ये कंट्री किस प्रकार की है, तो हमें आंसर मिलता है डेवलप्ड. सो ये डेवलप्ड वर्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी कहलाया जाता है. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. शी कैरीड ए हेवी बैग. In this example, you know that bag is a noun and the word heavy gives quality of a bag, means this bag is heavy. Means of what kind of bag she carried, so we get the answer heavy. So heavy is an adjective of quality. Now see some more examples. An elephant is a huge animal. In this example also you know that animal is a noun and it gives information about the noun animal, that of what kind an elephant is, then we get the answer huge. एलिफेंट ये किस प्रकार का एनिमल है, तो हमें आंसर मिलता है ह्यूज. इट मीन्स दैट इट शोज ए क्वालिटी. सो ह्यूज इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट. रोहन हैज ए रेड कार. In this example also, car is a noun and we know that the word red shows the color of the car. It means that it gives additional information about the noun car. कार ये नाउन के बारे में रेड ये वर्ड एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन देता है इन रिगार्ड टू क्वालिटी. सो इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट. रिया मेट एन ओल्ड वुमन. इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, वुमन इज ए नाउन and the word old shows quality of a woman, means of what kind is a woman to whom Riya met, then we get the answer old. So old is an adjective of quality. इस सेंटेंस में old ये वर्ड वुमन की क्वालिटी दिखा रहा है कि वो वुमन कैसी है, तो हमें आंसर मिलता है कि वो वुमन ओल्ड है. सो ओल्ड इज ए क्वालिटी एडजेक्टिव. Now see the next example. They shifted in a new house. In this example again you see that house is a noun and the word new shows its quality. Means quality के बारे में ये word जानकारी देता है कि वो कौन से house में shift हुए हैं. Then we get the answer that it's a new house. So new is an adjective of quality. Now see last example. He is an honest man. Now in this example, man is a noun and the word honest show its quality. Means वो man किस प्रकार का है, then we get the answer that honest. So honest is an adjective of quality. Now in each example you can see that the adjective always comes with a noun because it gives additional information about a noun. So it is clear that the word which comes with a noun and which gives the information about a noun is called an adjective. Now see the next kind which we are going to learn in this video, that is adjective of quantity. Now what is meant by quantity? It shows how much of a thing is meant, or for uncountable things. means the things which we cannot count. Those kinds of things is an adjective of quantity. Means we don't say exact thing. Means it is an uncountable. See here some are examples: some, whole, little, much, all, any, no, enough, sufficient, great. All these words are adjective of quantity because these words are used for a thing which are uncountable and which is meant for a means when we ask a question how much, then we get the answer in this form. So these are the adjective of quantity. ये नीचे दिए गए एग्जाम्पल्स एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी के हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी थ्रू सम एग्जाम्पल्स. Here is the first example. But adjective of quantity is we get the adjective of quantity when we ask the question how much. जब हम how much से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तब हमें जो आंसर मिलता है वो आंसर adjective of quantity होता है. See the first example. I ate some roasted chicken. Now, in this example, roasted chicken is a noun and some, the word some, which describes the noun roasted chicken. So, this is an adjective and this is an adjective of quantity. Because if we ask the question, how much roasted chicken did I eat? So, we get the answer some. So, some is an adjective of quantity. जब हम रोस्टेड चिकन के बारे में क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि मैंने रोस्टेड चिकन कितना खाया है, तब हमें आंसर मिलता है सम. मीन्स सम शोज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. ही शोड मच पेशेंस. In this example also patience is a noun and the word which describes patience, that word is much. But this word much is an adjective of quantity because it is uncountable. Means if we ask questions how much patience did he show, then we get the answer much. So much is an adjective of quantity. ये सेंटेंस में मच ये एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है. नाउ सी नेक्स्ट. ही हैज लॉस्ट ऑल हिज वेल्थ. नाउ इन दिस एग्जांपल all is a adjective of quantity because it gives information about the noun wealth. Means if we ask the question how much wealth has he lost, then we get the answer all. मीन्स वी डोंट हैव एन एग्जैक्ट आइडिया. हमें एग्जैक्ट आइडिया नहीं है कि हम मतलब कितनी वेल्थ उससे लूज हो गई है. सो वी डोंट हैव एन आइडिया और इट इज अनकाउंटेबल. सो इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट. शी हैड इनफ मनी टू स्पेंड. नाउ इन दिस एग्जाम्पल मनी इज ए नाउन and the word enough shows adjective of quantity. Because if we ask the question how much money did she spend, then we get the answer enough. So enough is an adjective of quantity or it is uncountable, so it is adjective of quantity. There is no milk in the glass. Here the noun is milk and the word no gives additional information about noun milk. And milk is, we cannot count the milk. We can measure the milk but we cannot count the milk. If we ask the question how much milk is there in the glass, we get the answer no milk. No milk means there is no milk in the glass. So no shows adjective of quantity. So ये सब एग्जाम्पल्स में सम, मच, ऑल, इनफ, नो और ये सब एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है बिकॉज दीज आर अनकाउंटेबल. और जब हम हाउ मच से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तब हमें आंसर ये फॉर्म में मिलता है जैसे सम, मच, ऑल, इनफ, नो. इसलिए उन्हें एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी कहा जाता है. Now see the next. There is a little water in the jug. Here also you can see that water is uncountable. We cannot count 1, 2, 3, 4 or any other type, but we can measure it. So little, the word little gives information about the water, noun water. So लिटिल इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी। ये सेंटेंस में लिटिल ये एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी है। ही हैज द होल नॉलेज अबाउट द प्रोजेक्ट। ये प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में उसे पूरी तरह की नॉलेज है। सो the noun is knowledge and the word whole gives information about the knowledge. So when we ask the question how much knowledge he has about the project, then we get the answer whole. So whole is adjective of quantity. He did not eat any rice. उसने बिल्कुल राइस खाया नहीं है। तो ये एग्जाम्पल में हमें राइस ये नाउन है और एनी ये जो वर्ड है वो राइस के बारे में जानकारी दे रहा है कि उसने बिल्कुल राइस खाया नहीं है। सो इट इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी। देयर इज सफिशिएंट ग्रोसरी फॉर ए मंथ। इन दिस एग्जाम्पल ग्रोसरी इज ए नाउन एंड द वर्ड सफिशिएंट गिव्स इंफॉर्मेशन about the noun grocery. ग्रोसरी के बारे में sufficient ये वर्ड जानकारी दे रहा है। और when we ask the question how much grocery is there for a month, then we get the answer sufficient. So sufficient is called adjective of quantity. So now we have completed here the adjective types, two types. So is the concept clear? Hope you have understood. If you have any doubts, comment in comment box and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now let's meet in next video, kinds of adjectives part 2. Till then, goodbye and thank you.